Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for my new subscribers, welcome as well. My name is Ruby, and for today's video I am going to be doing this look for you guys. So I hope you guys really like it, and also this video is going to be a full face tutorial. So if you guys are interested in knowing how I created this look, stay tuned and keep on watching. So this was my very first time going in with a piece of tape to do my cut crease, and I don't know, it came out okay, but I don't know if I would redo it again with the piece of tape. Going in with this really pretty gray shade from the Lashaholics palette, I'm just applying it all over my brow bone and just doing swiper motions and circular motions. Now going in with my favorite palette, as you guys know, I will be taking this shade, and again I will be doing swiper motions and circular motions. So this is the part that I didn't really like. As you guys can see in the front, the tape didn't reach all the way. So I did have to go back in with the P. Louise base and my favorite brush and just kind of connect everything together and draw out my cut crease a little bit more. Using a different concealer brush, I'm just patting everything into its place. Taking this really pretty Hydra liner from Suva Beauty. This one's in the shade Lustre Lilac. And all I'm doing, as you guys can see, is just following my normal crease. It's kind of like drawing like a thicker liner. Taking a smaller detailed brush, as you guys can see, I will be overlapping a thinner eyeliner look on top. And I am using the P. Louise base to draw out this liner. Going in with this purple again, I will be applying it in the very front. I am going for like an ombre effect. So I'm just applying a little bit of mascara, and this one's from Mink Cosmetics, and then I will be applying my favorite lashes of all time. These are from Betsa B Lashes, and they are in the name I Am Worthy. So I already went in with my favorite primer, which is the Dr. Brown It Luminizer one, and then I did go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Cream Beige Foundation, one of my favorites as well, and it's really inexpensive. And like always, I'm setting my under eye with the RCMA powder. To contour my face, I'm going in with the Anastasia foundation stick in the shade Coco. To set my contour, I am going in with the Hula Bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics. Now I'm going in with the Artist Couture highlighter, and you guys, look how beautiful this is. Oh my god. This one's in the shade Illuminati. And then I will be taking the Pure Cosmetics Sculpture palette, and I'll be taking my favorite highlighter, and I'll just be applying it on top of my brow bone. For my under eye, I am going in with the same purple that we used at the very beginning, and I'll just be applying it all over my underlid. For my inner corner, I'm taking this purple, and this one's from the Naked Cosmetics Holographic palette. And then going in with the Mermaid Scales Ultraviolet Glitter. Alright guys, so this completes this look. I hope you guys liked it, and if you guys did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Also, I would appreciate it if you guys would follow me on all my social medias. I would really appreciate it. And then if you guys do have questions about my giveaway, I do have a post up on my Instagram, so if you guys aren't following me, make sure you guys do follow me so you guys don't miss out anything, and you guys can go and look at the post about the giveaway. And then also I do have a video talking about the giveaway, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.